Hey, this is Will from Deliciousness on the Move, and I am back. Yes, I have on the same shirt as I had on the last video, simply because I just filmed it 5 minutes ago. And yes, at Deliciousness on the Move, we might batch videos every now and again. So, with that being said, one note I want to do in this video, you should have probably watched the last video. No kidding. Thank you for checking us out again, and stay tuned to after this intro. Alright, so we're back, and what we're going to do this morning is, again, on Thanksgiving, and I want to be able to season this so that I can probably cook the kids and the wife some food this morning. We're going to clean this. This is the only time I'm going to use soap and water on this thing, because I'm just trying to get all of the soaps, all of the scum and stuff that comes with when they bring this thing down here, they ship it. So I want to get all of that off. So I'm putting a little soap and water on it. And after I get it all off, I'm going to dry it really, really, really good. Alright, so I'm going to pour the soap and water out. Be right back. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to go ahead and use some regular water, just regular water in a paper towel and rinse it off. Put some more paper towels, dry it off really, really well. Because water and metal typically don't go together. You know, they don't mix. So I'm going. It might be a little noisy. I hope not. I have my mic on, which is a beautiful situation. You know, trying to get all this stuff off of here. All right, do that. So, and then I'm going to go throw all this away. Be right back. So now I'm back. So what I'm going to do now is do the first light. Now, it's been a while since I tried to light something like this, so let's see what happens. Okay. What it looks like, you gotta let it, the gas kind of build up a little bit. You listen to it, and then you click it. You turn it again, and it'll go ahead and ignite, because it's on now. And I got it on high for just the purpose of getting it hot, trying to season the grill a little quick. So with that being said, we're gonna go ahead, let this get the process started. Once it's finished, once it's getting hot, I'll go ahead and come back and show you what it's looking like. But I'll probably have it on the screen on the griddle at that point. All right, see you in a moment. So as you can see, there is some So as you can see in this area, there's some discoloration starting to happen. I'm gonna let it's smoking, so I'm gonna let it just do a little bit more discoloration before I start putting the first coat of grease on it. Plus I'm gonna look and see which kind of grease I want to use. So stay tuned, be right back. I'll show you the first round and we can go from there. So as you can see, there's more discoloration. So I'm back. Okay, so you can see it's more discoloration. I'm getting my paper towel together. I'm going to use a mixture of oil, so you can probably see me do, but not all at the same time. I'm going to do it differently. I'm going to put a little bit of oil down here, some olive oil. You know what I'm saying? Get it all the way around. On the outside, I just use this. Yeah, some people use gloves. I'm a little more, devilish. So that's the first coat. I'm gonna let that burn off, and then I'll come back and do another coat. So I'm ready to do a second coat. Okay. So now it's time for me to do the second coat, and I'm going to again put a little oil on there and go from there. Alright, we're back. Now for me, and this is my griddle, right? So I have some bacon grease I saved just for this. I'm actually gonna cook bacon on it too, but I wanted to put a little more bacon grease on it. Grease on there. So I'm assuming that this black area, this back piece, will get darker over time. I guess when you cook stuff to get stuff back there. I don't know how that really works, because this is the first griddle I ever owned. Usually I work at locations that have griddles, and this has been done and all that great stuff, and whatever. So I'm gonna let this do what it do. I'll probably add one more coat of oil on it, let it burn off, and let it do what it's doing, and then I'll come back. And next thing you'll see is the cooking video. So, be back soon. So the last grease that I'm back. So the last grease that I'm gonna put on here is coconut oil. Primarily because it's a healthy oil. It's a healthy oil. I got a lot of it. because I have another company. Alright, so. And after that, I don't know if I'm gonna make this a separate video or a part of this video, but I'm gonna cook my first cook on it. As you can tell, I've been doing this a long time. Cooking rather. Yeah, I can kind of get my hands in there a little bit. So I'm gonna let this cook off. Let this smoke disappear. And I'll be back to put some bacon on here. So that was my take on doing the first seasoning. I think over time it'll blacken a little more. I think over time it'll get a little more darker. Hold on.